Hello students, myself Professor Monani Mahajan from Computer Engineering Department, Kekewak Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nashik. Today I will show you one of the simulator that is used to implement the digital electronics and lab circuits, that is DELD SIM. So initially you have to go through the Google, that is you can go through the Google and you can have DELD SIM. So after going to that you will get the DELD simulator that you can log in here and then you can go to the you it is free of login, so you can log in and then you can go to the simulator. Okay, you can go to the trainer kit. After going to the trainer kit, here different bases are available, that is IC base 1, IC base 2, IC base 3 and so on. So here you can add the IC, that is click on add IC. Now on which base you want to add IC, that base you want to select, that is here they have written click or tap on the IC base in which IC should be added. So I will select the first base. Now after login, these various options of ICs are available. Now we will see the implementation of COD2 input AND gate. Therefore I have selected the AND gate IC. So now AND gate IC is having its pin structure as that you can see in data sheet also. So here you can go to the data sheet, show data sheet, then you can go to the COD2 input AND gates and then you can click on the data sheet. So here data sheets of ICs are also available. So here we can observe 7 pin is ground, 14 is VCC and 4 AND gate input. 4 AND gates are there in 17408 IC, having 1 and 2 as input and 3 as the output. Now we will see, that is first 7 we have to give the ground. Therefore I will connect 7 here to the ground. Now 14 pin, that is after 7 this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 pin I have to give as VCC. So these are the two connections that are used for enabling that IC. Now we will give one as input, that is input section, as you can observe here, and 2 also as the input. Now 3 is our output, therefore we will connect it at the output section. Now we have completed with our connections. After giving the connections, we have to give the power to the IC. So after clicking on power, we will have the output at 14. Now both the inputs are 0, therefore what is the output at 14 pin we have connected? It is 0. Now I will make 1 and 1. Therefore for AND gate 1, 1 output is 1. Similarly, if you want to disconnect the pins, then how you can disconnect? You can click here and you can disconnect the pin. Okay, now the connection is on, therefore we have to turn off it first. Therefore power is off. Now I can disconnect the pin. So I will click here, I will disconnect. Okay, similarly you can disconnect the other pins also. Like this, disconnect pins option is also available. Remove IC, that also I can use, that is this IC will be removed. Reset, then that entire circuit will be reset. Similarly, which are the other options that are available? That you can give add IC to the base, and you can observe here number of ICs that are available, so that you can easily implement any combinational or sequential circuit. Here, because flip-flops are also available, that you can implement the counters or generator or detector. Again, different counters also they have given, decade counter IC, binary counter IC and so on. Here binary adder IC is also given, so we can implement BCD adder also. So this is the way how you can implement. So I will add another IC, suppose OR gate. So OR gate is added at the second base. Similarly, I can add one more IC. Suppose at the first base I am adding, so one more IC I can add, that is those are added now 7408 and 7432, and now we can give the connection, that is 7 is our ground, then 14 is our, that is 14 is our VCC. and then we can give the inputs 1 and 2 and so on. So you can try implementation of combinational and sequential circuit using DELD sim, that is deldsim.com/simulator. Thank you.